Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Today we're gonna draw dragon to have fire, but watch out for the fire.
Great idea. Let's start with a half circle, just like this. Continue the line to this point. Well done. To draw the top of the snout, we will draw a small curved line up here. Excellent work. Let's adjust it to make it just a bit wider. For the eye, let's create a small curved line right in the center. Well done. Starting from this point, let's draw a small S shape on its belly. Next, we will draw the letter U. Start here and end it here. Let's close it here with a C-shaped line. Just like this. And add the tongue inside his mouth. Great job. Start here and close the lower part of its head, just like this. Let's draw its belly with two slightly curved lines going down. For its feet, we will draw a horizontal line. Then we will close it with a small curved line. And there it is. We have its first foot. Let's do the second one. Start here and draw the curved line down. Oops, not like that. The other way around. Great job. Add a couple of details, and the second foot is done. Now it is time to draw its little hand. Well done. Add a couple of details. And for the feet as well. What else?
Tail.
Correct. We are missing the best part. Let's draw the tail. Draw a line from here to here, and draw a curved line just like this. Now, let's draw a similar line and connect it with the back of the foot. Let's add the wings. Start here and end it here. From this point, let's draw another line. Great job. Now connect all those lines with smaller curved lines, just like the wings of a bat. Finally, let's add the spikes on his back, and there is our dragon. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.